All right, let's presume for a moment that I want this text with this illustration, right? I'm going to pop the illustration over. You can see that the text is on top of the illustration. It's not quite so hot. It's not really the way that I want this to look. I want instead for the text to wrap around that illustration. So the old-fashioned way that a lot of people used to get around is they put a lot of returns or enter right around the edge here, and it never really looks that good, right? So what do I need to do here? Well, first of all, I need to start with a grouped object here. I'm going to come over to my layers palette and make sure that both of those objects, both the text block and the illustration, are on the same exact layer. So I'm going to take the illustration and just bump it right there on top of layer 1. I do that by grabbing a little rectangle while that's selected on that layer. I'll grab that one little rectangle or one little square and I'll drop it right there on layer 1. I can see that this is overlapping that object though. Then I'm going to select the object, go up to Object, and then down to Text Wrap, and then Make. And then instantly, the text block is actually going to wrap around that object. What's really wonderful about this is as I move the object, the text block will wrap around it no matter where I move it to. And that's all there is to it. It's that simple. The thing to make sure of here is that you're using a text block rather than just free text, and that you're using an object that is grouped, that it's a single group object rather than a piece of an object or an object that hasn't been grouped yet.